So guys, first method, come to this website which is www.gigabyte.com, which is officially website. Then you can see here search button to click to, and just type your model number. Then guys hit enter. Then guys click to product. Now this click here, wait few seconds, it is. Then click to support. Then select your operating system which is using, and which is operating systems driver you have to require. So because I am using Windows 7, Windows 11, then click to select this Wi-Fi driver, scroll down, Wi-Fi 7, this is model number, MediaTalk. Otherwise you can install Realtek, try to this one, click to download a Realtek Wi-Fi driver. Then click to on this. Then double click to setup. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. And then closed.